Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we're having a look at Moomoo, we're having a look at Perler. We want to know what it is that they can offer you as a trader and how their platform differs from the rest and what makes them better. So let's dive in. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now looking at Moomoo. Moomoo. So Moomoo is a next generation commission-free trading platform, a cutting-edge trading platform that combines commission-free trading with powerful research tools, social features, an AI-driven insight tool, and this is all built for the modern trader. You can see over here their user-friendly interface comes with a bunch of advanced features. First of all, the commission-free trading on stocks, ETFs, and options with no minimal deposit required, making this professional trading accessible for literally everyone. It allows you to access real-time market data, customizable watch lists, and comprehensive tracking tools to stay ahead of market movements. It has a built-in news feed, earnings calendar, and a professional analyst rating that provides comprehensive market context for informed trading decisions. The last thing over here is their deep market analysis. So you get level 2 market data with comprehensive financial reports that provide institutional quality research capabilities for retail traders. It also offers an interactive social feed that connects you with other traders, enabling idea sharing and a collaborative market analysis. And this is all in real time with real people. It also, lastly, has the advanced AI-driven stock screeners and personalized alerts, which can help you identify trading opportunities tailored to your investment style and your trading preferences. All right, having a look at Perler now. So Perler is empowering your trading journey. It offers robust trading tools that is designed for both beginners and experienced investors, allowing you to execute trades with confidence and precision, focusing on flexibility as well as cost efficiency. So you can execute trades without worrying about commissions. Perler enables you to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and more, keeping your investment costs low. You can gain access to high-value stocks with any budget. You can invest in small portions of shares, making a diversified investing more accessible now than ever. You can also utilize intuitive tools to monitor your portfolio's performance, rebalance assets, and gain insights to optimize your trading strategy for more long-term growth. Talking about long-term growth, Perler offers long-term investing and financial planning. It is a unique investing platform that is designed for long-term wealth building, offering more automated investing, comprehensive financial planning tools, and a focus on achieving financial independence. The last thing that we're looking at over here is their trading software and their fintech solutions. So developing sophisticated automated trading systems utilizing advanced algorithms for high frequency trading is very, very possible, including quantitative strategies as well as robust risk management across various financial markets. You can build high-performance, low-latency APIs that enable seamless integration with exchanges, market data providers, and third-party applications for real-time order execution, as well as portfolio management. And then finally, their cutting-edge fintech solutions. So you can create innovative financial technology solutions, including blockchain-based platforms, AI-driven analytics, digital payment gateways, and regulatory compliance tools to transform the financial services landscape altogether. Ladies and gentlemen, it is no lie that there's a lot of competition out there. My advice is always to go and check which software platform actually works for your specific use case and put it into a real life scenario and use it. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.